All of you. Today we will discuss our new topic, living and non-living thing. In this topic we will learn about the living creature and the non-living thing present in our nature. Now suppose that the natural thing that we see around us can be living and non-living, means there are different things present in our nearby surrounding area, and some are living and some are non-living. So we will discuss them briefly. Now living things are those that need a food, means it feel hunger, that's why it required food. Now they can breathe, they move, they grow, they feel and produce babies. All these functions a living creature do, and all plants and animals are living things. We human are also a living creature. Yes, we also have life because we also take food, we breathe, we grow. All the things we do same as plants and animals. Now, living things need food because it required food for be healthy, and living things move because we all living creature move from one place to another. But plants cannot move from one place to another, but it have some ways by which they move from one place to another. Suppose this seed rolls away from one place to another and the plant grows, or the seed blow with the wind and in the some place again the plant grows. These are the ways where one place to another place we move. Now living thing grow, you can see in the picture, when you are a small baby, after that you become little bit young, and after that you again become a elder adult, and these are the stages to becoming grow up. Now living thing breathe, each and every living creature need oxygen, that's why they required to breathe. Now only plant take carbon dioxide and release the oxygen, but animals and human take oxygen and release the carbon dioxide. And a living creature produce babies. Yes, the living things produce the young one to continue the life cycle. Now, non-living things are those that do not need food, means that they do not have life in it, so they do not require food. They cannot breathe, they not move from one place to another without any help. They required all the time help to move from one place to another. They can't grow, they can't feel, and cannot produce the babies. These are the functions in living, non-living things. Non-living things like bottle, pencil, books, shoes, cloth, and stone are all non-living things. These are the example of non-living things. They cannot produce babies, they do not have hunger, they can't move, they can't breathe. This is a great example of living and non-living thing. Now we come to know in this topic that living thing have life on it and non-living thing do not have life on it. Living thing can move, grow, breathe, produce babies, and non-living thing cannot move, cannot grow, cannot breathe. This is the big difference between living thing and non-living thing. You can see the example, the drawings like bottle, balloon, shoes, sweater. These all are the example of non-living things. Now we will discuss some interesting fact that ant never sleep. Yes, ant never sleep. All the creature in the earth need sleep for getting rest in her body, but ant never sleep. Now elephant have heaviest weight on land, so it cannot jump, and butterfly taste with their feet. It's a very amazing fact that a butterfly taste with their feet. Now the common octopus has blue blood. Mostly all the living creature, suppose animals and humans, have red blood. And in animals there are some varieties of animal who have blue color or different colors of blood, and plant have white bloods which we can't see properly because it is in a very fluid form. Now dolphin can swim and sleep at the same time. Now you see that it's an amazing fact that dolphin, when it is in sleeping condition, then they can swim at the same time.